A girl encounters two cats fighting. She takes out cat treats to try to stop them, but they continue arguing while eating, as if they're rehearsing. For the next few days, whenever she walks home, she finds them in the grass. One day, the orange cat rolls on the ground and suddenly spots her. As she approaches, their quarrel intensifies, and the little orange one looks ready to attack. But when she pulls out the treats, they rush over to eat while still arguing. The girl suspects they might be pretending to fight just to get more treats. Because they're so noisy, she decides to adopt them. Once at her home, they glare at each other and start arguing again while eating treats. The girl tries various methods to help them get along. Eventually, she gives the white cat some makeup, and it falls in love with looking in the mirror, while the orange cat is too scared to look, even closing its eyes. She then puts makeup on the orange cat, and now the white cat won't even look at it. Thus, they live a lovely life of daily makeup sessions without fighting.